Student, if you have a NEET PG rank is above 15,000, above 20,000, and if you belong to the general category, then you will not get government college for clinical branches. That time you have to pay big amount of money for deemed university and private college. Now, if you will not able to pay a big amount of money for private college and deemed university, then you will waste another year. No, you have another options to take admission in the same required courses what you are looking for. In today's video, I'll give you the complete information about that. Your fees will be same like a government college. You'll be getting the stipend and it will be definitely a good career options. MCC PG Medical Round 2 counseling already over. Presently, Round 3 registration process is going on. You must be knowing the cutoff has also reduced. In this point of time, MCC is going to publish the seat matrix. When we'll upload this video, maybe that time you will get the seat matrix. Many students whose NEET PG rank is above 10,000, above 15,000, they are asking me, sir, I am not getting government college in MCC at the same time in my state also. At the same time, we are not able to pay the deemed university and private college fees. Fees in the deemed university and private college in many states in 3 years above 60 lakhs, 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs. So, what they will do? They are asking, sir, government college we cannot get due to our rank. Also, we are from general category. Deemed university fees we cannot afford. So, what will be the option for us? Today's video is exclusively for those whose NEET PG rank is above 10,000, above 15,000, who belong to the general category and who are looking for admission in government college, more precisely who are not ready to take admission in private college or in the deemed university. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. Student, if you don't want to waste another year for PG medical admission, then you have three options. One, you have to take government college, or if your rank is not good, then you can take deemed university, or you can compromise the branch what you are looking for. You have three options. But if I tell you another option is there, but you have to take it in a little strategic manner. What is the options? Under MCC counseling, there are many seats are there where you can take admission in diploma. Yes, there are many seats are there in diploma in government college as well as the private hospital, even in government hospital. You can take admission in DNB diploma as well as the diploma in different subjects in government college, in the private hospital, deemed university, in different places. Now, why I am telling you, after doing the diploma, you have an option to appear the PDCET exam. There is an exam called PDCET. If you appear this PDCET, then you are eligible to do the secondary DNB, which is called the secondary DNB. So, if you complete the 2 years diploma in clinical branches or non-clinical branches, after that, if you do the PDCET exam, if you appear the PDCET exam and if you qualify that, then you are eligible for doing the secondary DNB. After completing the secondary DNB, then your degree will be equivalent to MD, MS and general DNB. Hope you understand. So, what you save here, in 2 years diploma and 2 years secondary DNB, it will be a 4 years course. But you don't have to pay a big amount of money in the deemed university and the private college. At the same time, since you are not getting the government college, you don't have to compromise your branch also. Correct? In this video, I'll tell you what is the cutoff rank in diploma in different branch in MCC round 2 counseling. So you'll get an idea how much possibility you have to get those branches. I'll start with the diploma in radiodiagnosis. Student, if you are looking for radiodiagnosis in MD or DNB, your rank has to be within 5,000. But see, in diploma radiodiagnosis, if you are looking for, It is 13,954 rank also the student has taken. Now after completing 2 years diploma radio diagnosis, they can appear the PDCT exam, and after that he can do the secondary DNB. Now here I have mentioned which college also, so you will be getting a complete idea. Diploma in radio diagnosis 13,954 was the cutoff rank, and the college is Woodland Hospital in Meghalaya. While you will be doing the diploma, definitely you will be getting a good amount of stipend also. Okay, and there is no fees in DNB diploma and also the normal diploma. Second is diploma in ortho. If you see the diploma in ortho, cutoff is 15,810. And what is the college name? It is MCK, Medical College Kolkata, which is one of the premium medical college, not only in eastern part of India but also all over India. That is Medical College Kolkata. Third is diploma in anesthesia, 53,453. In this rank, the student has taken the admission in diploma in anesthesia. The college name is Haji Abdul Medical College, that is in Assam. In this rank, the student would have got college in private or deemed university, and the student had to pay minimum 60, 70, 80 lakhs rupees. So you can understand that how much money you can save by taking the diploma. Might be again you have to do secondary DNB, but it is a good amount you can save it. Student, we keep giving lots of information in our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, immediately you subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon, so whenever we will upload any video, you will not miss that. Again, it is diploma in OBG. The 34,761 is the cutoff rank. Haji Abdul Memorial Hospital, that is in Assam again. Diploma in ophthalmology. Diploma in ophthalmology cutoff is 54,717. It is Chaudhary Eye Memorial Hospital, that is in Assam. Diploma in ENT, 48,123. It is in Sija Hospital in Manipur. Diploma in child health means it is a diploma of the MD Pediatrics. Diploma child health, 34,113. The college name is, it is an government hospital, Kanla Super Speciality Hospital, Kanla Subdivision and Super Speciality Hospital. It is in West Bengal. This is a government hospital which gives a very good amount of stipend. Diploma in TB chest, 36,700 is the diploma in TB chest cutoff. College name is Midland Healthcare Hospital, which is in Lucknow. So you can see all these courses, there is no fees, but the student will be getting good amount of stipend for all the courses. Okay, now I will tell you two programs. That is, one is diploma in family medicine and another is diploma in psychiatry. See, diploma in family medicine is one of the most demanding branch within the student if they are not getting the general medicine. So in diploma in family medicine, the cutoff is 59,674, and again it is in Haji Abdul Memorial Hospital in Assam. Okay, next is diploma in psychiatry. This course actually name is postgraduate diploma in psychiatry. The college name is one of the premium deemed university in India, which is JSS Mysore. The cutoff is 51,860. Student, if you are looking for MD psychiatry and if you are not getting government college, then you can take admissions there, because here, even though it is a deemed university, here the complete fee structure is 12 lakhs plus 12 lakh, 24 lakhs, but they give a regular stipend to the student. The stipend amount is approximately 50,000 per month. And JSS, nothing to say about that college, what kind of standard the college is having. So this is all about the cutoff of the diploma courses. In the beginning only I told you, this video is exclusively for those students who, according to their rank, who are not getting a government college, they are not going to take admission in deemed university and private college, and at the same time they don't want to lose another year. What is the option for them? Hope this information is helpful for you. If you like this video, you click on the like button of this video. And if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe and share this video with your friends. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment section. Thank you so much, students.